Okay guys, so been out here at the park, at the regional park, testing out the Ozark trails, Mossy Oak 8602S, the S being snow camo, and basically just worked on a tri-stick. Now out of the box, the little knife came reasonably sharp and did a good job. What I did find is that when you're choking up to do push cuts and the like, you're putting your finger dangerously close to this blade. Okay, so it blooded me. My bad. I was working really fast and putting a lot of pressure on the work, and slipped a little bit and pinched my finger between the blade and the work and got a little laceration. It's clean cut, it'll heal fine. It's not the first and it won't be the last. But what I did find good about this is this tip, very strong. It was great for popping chips. No loosening at all of this blade. The lockup's still really good. It's not the strongest looking liner lock bar that I've ever seen. It's not very stout, but it did work. It is not loosened at all, and it never gave. I'm going to go home and give this a good sharpening. It's a keeper. It's a good little knife. Would I recommend it for this, for bushcraft? You know, maybe as a backup blade, but not as a primary carver. Again, as much as I like the blade, if there was more choil where I could have slipped my finger in and protected it, would have been great. It's just not enough blade and not enough choil. But if you go slow and practice safely, it will do the work. And I have no doubt you could pull it off without cutting yourself. I'm not going to baton with it. I don't think that's a reasonable practice or skill with any folding knife. It's you know, you can do it if you had to. Would I like to do it? Would I prefer to do it? No, not at all. I'd like a nice strong fixed blade. Let's see if we can cut a piece of paracord here. Okay, just like that. Still cutting good and sharp. Nothing really provable on that, just that it'll cut with some pressure. It's not super sharp. It needs to be sharpened, but you know, probably a good little stocking stuffer knife, a good little backup knife, maybe something to just toss in your bag for a backup. Again, for $5, if you lose it, not a big deal. I actually like it. I think it's a pretty nice little knife. And this has only happened because I was going too fast and I was putting too much pressure, and it had to happen. So anyway, it's a decent little knife for $5. So there you have it. The chips are blowing away. And thank you for watching. And we'll talk to you a little later.